Hey, it's Adam. We're out here today doing something a little bit different. I'm on a friend's property. We're gonna get it prepared for hunting season. I got my purple paint, my no hunting purple, that I'm gonna put on the perimeter trees so you know there's no trespassing, so you can stay away, and clean up some of the four-wheeler trails as well. There's a bunch of branches down, and we're just gonna mess around here in the woods today, so come join me. So in Pennsylvania, the mark on the tree needs to be 1 inch wide, 8 inches long up and down, between 3 and 5 feet up the tree. So I figure right about here. Looks good. All right, I'm not doing too bad out here. The east side of the property, the line out there, I think I misjudged where it was. A couple years ago, I came out here and tried to mark around. Now that I'm out here with the purple, I want to make sure I get it right. So I'm trying to eye things up. A lot easier in the fall, that's why I waited. So let's keep marking. All right, I finished up the hardest edge of the property. I think I did a pretty good job. Northern section is pretty well marked, so this one's gonna be easy. Let's finish this up. So I've definitely seen deer back here, and there are footprints everywhere. This is always a good sign. Here's my purple. Here's the bordering properties posted sign. So looks like everybody's gonna be happy here. Hopefully there's enough deer to go around. All right, I'm all finished with the purple. Let's get back to the quad and let her rip, baby. So I went and put the four-wheeler away. I had enough fun on that. Now I'm down here by the creek. Gonna pick some garbage out of it, try to clear the sticks and the bigger logs off the trail, ones I can lift, and just sort of make things a little cleaner out here. I did find some garbage in the creek, mostly just bottles and plastic bags, but I did find this, a really old Mountain Dew bottle. You can see the Mountain Dew right there on the top. Pretty cool. I thought that was pretty interesting. I wonder how long since Mountain Dew's been bottled. I'd be interested to look that up. And I also found this insulator that would go on the top of a telephone pole, and the wire would be on there. And I also found this bottle right here. I think this is a newer bottle, but you know, always a cool find. That's where I left my bike. Sometimes you're in the woods and you find a car door. Beautiful day out here. Can't wait to get out here and hunt in the next couple of weeks. Really tried to make sure the four-wheeler trails were nice and clean. Didn't get to everything. There's a couple swampy places in the back, and we're hoping to make some detour trails around. So hopefully I can get out here soon and get to work on those. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe.